Dear students, we continue our discussion on piecewise linear delay differential equations. Last time we discussed this model x dot of t equal to minus x of t plus b into f of x of t minus tau. Okay, here a and b are constant parameters and function f is like this. Okay, it is piecewise linear function. Okay, we have seen that there are three equilibrium points. One is 0 and these are two equilibrium points. We have seen stability conditions for all these equilibrium points. Okay. Now, fourth thing is numerical simulations and chaos. Okay, so to observe chaos, we need to use numerical solutions. Okay, we cannot do this using pen and paper or analysis. Okay, so we can use the command and dissolve. In all from cloud and verify all these stability results. Okay, so homework is that take particular values of parameters A, B, and tau. Okay, P1, P2 are also parameters. You can take the same values which are taken here in this figure. Okay, so okay, P1 equal to 0.8 and P2 equal to 1.33. Okay, so your homework is take particular values of A and B according to all these results. Okay, so and you have to verify. So first thing is stability of x1 star. Okay, so what are results? If B is greater than A, then x1 star is unstable. Okay, so you need to choose particular values. For example, B equal to 2 and A equal to 1. Okay, so that this condition is satisfied. Okay, and you have to verify that x1 star is really unstable. What is meant by unstable? Means if you select initial condition of this delay differential equation in the neighborhood of x1 star. Okay, x1 star is 0, okay, sufficiently close to x1 star. Okay, if you select A and B, okay, if you provide particular values for A and B, then x2 star and x3 star will also be available. Okay, so you have to select a small neighborhood of x1 star means 0, so that x2 star and x3 star are not in that neighborhood. Okay, means if this is neighborhood and if this is your x1 star, Okay, then x2 star, x3 star will be outside. It should be outside this neighborhood. And then select any initial condition in this neighborhood and verify that solution starting in this neighborhood will go away from this equilibrium. What is meant by going away? It need not go to plus or minus infinity. It may converge to some other equilibrium point. Okay, that doesn't matter. But it should not tend to this equilibrium point. Okay, so this you have to verify. Okay, we will also verify some cases, whatever possible. Okay, so there are 3 cases for each equilibrium point. Okay, so you need to verify all these cases. Take particular values of parameters a, b, and tau in each of above cases and verify the stability results. So as we discussed last time, this example is taken from one research paper by 2 mathematicians, Lu and He. It is shown by Lu and He that this system is chaotic for some values of parameters. Okay. We should note that if equilibrium point is stable, one of these equilibrium points is stable, then trajectories may attract to that equilibrium point. Okay. So instability of all these equilibrium points is necessary for chaos. Okay. So all these 3 equilibrium points should be unstable. Okay. Then only we can expect chaos. Okay. Note that the instability of all these equilibrium points is a necessary condition for chaos. Okay. We sketch 2 figures. Okay. We sketch 2 figures. First is we call it as time series. That is nothing but curve x of t. Okay, versus t. Horizontal axis is t, vertical is x of t. Okay. Time series. A curve x of t versus t. And second thing is chaotic attractor. Okay, actually attractor has special meaning in chaos theory, but we are not going in details. We have seen Lorentz system, okay, ordinary differential equations, where we sketched parametric plot in R3, x of t versus y of t versus z of t. And we were getting butterfly-like figure. It is nothing but chaotic attractor of Lorentz system. Okay, Now, when we are handling this system, it is scalar system, means one variable. We only have x of t. So how to find chaotic attractor in such delay differential equations? Okay, so there is interesting method to sketch chaotic attractor of delay differential equations. So what we do, we consider parametric plot of x of t and x of t minus tau. Okay, so horizontal axis is x of t, vertical is x of t minus tau. Okay, and we get a parametric sketch, and when system is chaotic, this sketch is called as chaotic attractor. It is a sketch of parametric curve Okay, t is parameter in this case. X of t comma x of t minus tau. Okay. In general, this may be x of t plus tau or t minus 2 tau, something like that. Okay. So x of t versus x of t minus or plus something. Okay. It is chaotic attractor. Okay. Parametric curve in plane. Okay, this is two-dimensional diagram, plane. So we are calling plane when the system is chaotic. Okay. Now we take particular case, means we consider the parameters values taken by these researchers. Okay, in that research paper, they are taking particular values only. Of course, we analyze this system in general. The parameters taken by these researchers, Lu and He, are A equal to 0.16 and B equal to 0.2. Okay, therefore, equilibrium points are x1 star is always 0, that doesn't depend on A and B. Then x2 star, which is this one, minus 2b divided by A plus 1.5. And x3 star is just minus x2 star. Okay, so this is nothing but 0.87. If we substitute particular values of A and B, then we get, if A is 0.16 and B is 0.2, then this x2 star is minus 0.87. Okay, it is minus 2b divided by A plus 1.5b. If you simplify using calculator, then you will find that this is minus 0.87 and x3 star is nothing but minus x2 star, and that is 0.87. Okay, so we get all these 3 points. Now we are interested in 1.5b. Okay, So analysis of all these equilibrium points, maybe we consider first thing. Here we have mentioned all these conditions. Okay. Case 1. Stability of x1 star equal to 0. First case was if b is greater than a, then x1 star is unstable. Our b is 0.2 and a is 0.16. So b is greater than a. Okay. So by this condition, we can declare that x1 star equal to 0 is unstable for any delay tau. Okay. Since b is greater than a, x1 star is unstable for all delay values. Now, second thing, stability of x2 star and x3 star. We have seen that both are having same conditions. Okay. So condition is this one. If a is less than minus 1.5 b. Okay, it is not possible here because a and b both are positive. Okay, so this is not possible. Second condition, 1.5b is between minus a and a. Is it possible here? Here 1.5b means 1.5 into 0.2. Okay, so it is 0.3. Okay, 0.3 and a is sorry, I think it is 0.03. Let me check. Yeah. This 1.5b is 0.3, okay, and a is 0.16. So this condition is also not satisfied. Okay. What is third condition? Third condition is like this. Okay, alpha plus beta means okay, finally this is the condition. This is the only requirement. Our 1.5b is 0.3 and a is 0.16. Okay, so 0.16 is between minus 0.3 and plus 0.3. Okay, so this condition is satisfied. Okay, so system is stable, or sorry, equilibrium points x2 star and x3 star are stable between 0 and tau star. Okay, tau is between 0 and tau star. Okay, we find tau star also. Okay, so this condition is satisfied. Further, one 1.5 into b equal to 1.5 into 0.2 equal to 0.3, and therefore our condition is minus 1.5b is less than a is less than 1.5b. Okay, a is 0.16. Okay, and therefore there exists tau star equal to 1 upon square root 2.25 b square minus a square cos inverse minus a upon 1.5b. Okay. Now using calculator, you can easily find this value as 8.40651. Okay. Such that x1 star, x2 star and x3 star are asymptotically stable for 0 less than or equal to tau less than tau star, that is 8.40. Okay. And unstable for tau greater than tau star. Okay. Hope bifurcation occurs at tau equal to tau star. Okay, so when can we expect chaos? If all these three equilibrium points are unstable. Okay, x1 star is always unstable. So we need to take tau greater than tau star. Okay, remember that tau greater than tau star does not imply chaos. Okay, the result is like this. I mean, there may exist some value of tau which is greater than tau star for which chaos exists. Okay, there may exist. Okay, otherwise what we can say, equilibrium point is unstable. Okay, unstable need not be chaotic. Okay. So in this paper, it is shown that tau equal to 25 gives chaos. Okay, so these mathematicians Lu and He observed chaos in this system for tau equal to 25. Okay. Now we verify this using Wolfram plot. I'm sharing cloud file. Okay, so this is sketch of piecewise linear function. Okay, so I'm explaining how to define piecewise linear function using Wolfram cloud or Mathematica. So I'm defining f of y. Okay, underscore is there because y is variable. Okay, you can take any variable y or z, that doesn't matter. Okay, so this Mathematica function piecewise, it is used to define such functions. Okay, so square bracket is there. Then there is list. Okay, so curly bracket is there. In that we have to write again list. First list means there are two entries. First entry is value of function and second is condition. Okay, so we are writing function value is 0 when y is less than or equal to minus 1.33. Okay, second condition, function value f of y is minus 1.5 y minus 2 when minus 1.33 less than y is less equal minus 0.8. Okay, this is second condition. Third condition is f of y is y when we take y between minus 0.8 and 0.8. Then function value is minus 1.5 y plus 2 if 0.8 is less than y is less equal 1.33, and again function is 0 when y is greater than 1.33. Okay, so here it is, output looks like this. Okay, whatever we are writing in notebook. Okay, this is plot of this function. Okay, you can easily see that this is piecewise linear function. Okay, now we solve this system. So command is like this. First we take tau. We are going to change this value, okay, then n number of time steps, okay, so time t is between 0 and n, okay, we are taking up to 2000, okay, uh, then we are assigning some name s for this solution, nd solve x dash of t equal to, here it is a is minus 0.16 x of t plus, sorry, it is minus a x of t and a is 0.16, okay, plus b is 0.2 f of x of t minus tau, then this is initial condition x of t oblique semicolon t less equal 0 means value of x of t when we take t less equal 0, it is taken as constant value 0.5, okay, so we are going to change this initial condition, okay. So what we have seen that there are three equilibrium points. One is 0, x1 star, x2 star is minus 0.87, x3 star is 0.87, okay. So this is between these equilibrium points, okay, 0.5. This is between x0 and x0 star, sorry, x1 star and x2 star, okay, between 0 and 0.87, okay, 0.87 is I think x3 star, okay, so between x1 star and x3 star, okay. This x is a dependent variable, independent variable is t, range is between 0 and n. So first thing is time series, plot x of t from s slide dot s, okay, t between 0 and 9, plot range all as usual, axis label t and x. Then parametric plot, here we are trying to sketch parametric curve x of t and x of t minus tau. When system is chaotic, this will produce chaotic attractor, okay. We are removing some initial values, okay, these are called as transients, okay. It will provide better sketch of periodic limit cycle and chaotic attractor, okay. So it is always better to remove initial iterations, okay. So we have seen that 0 is always unstable, 0.87 and minus 0.87 are asymptotically stable when we take tau sufficiently small. Sufficiently small means it should be less than tau star, and tau star is 8.40, okay. So here we are taking tau equal to 8, okay. So initial condition 0.5 gives time series is like this, okay. We can see that this is converging to 0.87, okay. Let us change this, okay. Here it is parametric plot, okay. We can see that it is spiraling and converging to the point 0.87 comma 0.87, okay, because horizontal axis is x of t, vertical is x of t minus tau. So both are tending to 0.87 as t tends to infinity, okay. And these are oscillations, damped oscillations. So in the phase plane, we are getting spiral sync, okay. Sync means it is converging to that point, okay. So it is spiraling and converging to the point 0.87 comma 0.87, okay, in the plane. So this may be chosen larger, not 10, maybe we can skip initial values, say up to, say, let me take instead of 10, 70, so that this will look better. Yeah, actually I need to run the function first. It is taking time in cloud. Now hopefully we will get required thing. Yeah. Okay. So this is spiral sink. Okay. Now what we do, we consider initial condition between 0 and minus 0.87 and check what happens. Okay, 0 will repel the trajectory and minus 0.87 will attract. Okay, so let us see. So instead of initial condition 0.5, we take minus 0.5, not necessarily minus 0.5. Let me take minus 0.2. Okay, it may be minus 0.5. Okay, we can see that this is converging to minus 0.87. Okay, so here's we need to take, it is very close to 0. Okay, x1 star. So 70 is also not sufficient. Okay, so we may take 200. Okay, for example. Okay, so this is spiral sink in other case. Okay. Now tau star has 8.40651. Okay, so what we do, thing is that if we choose tau equal to tau star, then it is Hooke bifurcation, means periodic orbit will emerge. Okay, so here we can see that orbits are spiral sinks. Okay, what happens as we take, okay, delay was 8. When we can take value which is very close to this one. Okay, instead of 8.40651, we may take 8.3, for example. Let us take 8.3 and check whether we are getting periodic. 8.3. You can see that again, we are not getting limit cycle. Okay, we are getting a spiral and then it is converging to that point. Okay, it takes time. Okay, 2000 is not sufficient. We may need to take 4000 or something like that. Okay, and then okay, now we can see this. So it is slowly converging to that point. Now what happens when we take tau equal to 8.40651? You can see that we are getting periodic things. Okay, and in the phase plane, x of t versus x of t minus tau, it will give closed orbit. Okay, so this is called as limit cycle. Okay, and if we increase this value, say 8.5, 8.6, and so on, again we are getting this periodic. Okay, if we take tau equal to 16, then we get 2 period. Okay, so it is called as period doubling thing. Okay, now period is 2. Okay, it will increase. So this is 18. We are getting like this. Okay, so it is very close to chaotic nature. Okay, so in between values can be taken. So your homework is take in between values and check whether we are getting 4 cycle, 8 cycle, etc. And then tending to chaos. Okay, so now if we take tau equal to 20, then again, okay, so scenario is maybe like this. Initially we are getting stable things. As we increase tau, we are getting period 1, again period 2, period 4, and so on. We may reach to chaos. If we further increase tau, we may again get periodic things. Okay, so for 20, again we are getting this as period 4, around periodic 4. Okay, roughly. If we further increase, this is 22. Period is increased. Okay, this is period 8 or so. Okay. If we take 24, then it is almost chaotic. Okay. In that paper, the author has taken 25. Okay, so 25 gives like this. Okay, so these are very beautiful figures. Okay, so chaos is used in arts also. So chaotic attractors and fractals. Okay. So what is this figure? This is nothing but a fractal. Okay. So these are very interesting things, and these are having applications not only in science but also in arts. Okay. You can also generate similar figures. Okay. So this was all about verification of the results given in that paper. Your homework is select different values of A and B and run the program and check whether you are getting stable and unstable things. Are you getting chaos at other values also? Okay, so you can verify all these things. Thank you. Yeah, one more thing is another homework. One more homework. There are some researchers, Indian researchers, Thangavel, Murali, and Lakshmanan. Okay, Lakshmanan is famous physicist working in the field of nonlinear dynamics. They studied similar piecewise linear delay differential equation. This published in the journal International Journal of Bifurcation and Chaos, volume 8, page number 2481 and year 1998. In this paper, these researchers proposed following modified system. X dot of t equal to minus ax of t plus bf of x of t minus tau plus c. Okay, so plus c is different thing. Everything else is same as previous system. Okay, where c greater than 0 is constant and all other things is a, b, tau, f. Okay, all other things are same as above. So your homework is analyze this system. Analyze means find equilibrium points, discuss stability, check whether you are getting chaos. Okay, for different values of a, b, c, and tau. Analyze this system. Okay. Thank you.